It's February the 7th or something. Just got internet going properly yesterday. Animals were being fed. Lily was just touching noses with the alpaca. Cows are coming over there. Wiggling his or her tail. Building is happening. Sun's going down. Everyone's just had a feed. Passion fruit, look. Passion fruit. So Elle's here, Peter's been here, Steve's been here, building. Sorry, that's a frog. Morning, it's the 19th of February, so not a lot of videoing been happening, but lots of other stuff. So hopefully today I can sort that out. This is breakfast. This is a regular occurrence. Celery, orange, silver beet, kale, everything organic except for the celery. Just clean it with a bit of my awesome deviant Kangen water. That's breakfast, and it's turning my hair ungrey, which if I go like that, and I don't know if you can see me, but this bit here was grey, and it's going less grey. So how good's that? No apple or carrot or stuff like that. It's green, 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 green. It's been raining. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Look how big the plant has got. It's just going on and on. And it's been peeing down with rain for days. And there sprouts. It's 20 to 7. And what, we're on the 20th? Anyway, there's all the family. What are you stomping your foot at? Every animal stretches when they wake up, except for us as humans. I don't know if I showed you the passion fruit, but it's going off. So it's rained, and then it's rained, and then it's rained some more, and then it rained again. And then there was more rain. You two goats not talking to each other. Buff, so fat. Aren't you, Buff? You're so fat, Buffs. I don't think he's very smart. So yeah, I've just been up for a jog because I'm pretty agitated. Everything's been mowed. Still these piles to go. So yeah, hopefully work can continue on the house. So I've scored some big rolls of mulch, which is my job this morning. Trying to be gentle as I walk. Yeah, to basically mulch the stuff. And yeah, I've put loads of natives here. I'm putting isopogons and waratahs and stuff like that around here. That's a pine nut tree that you get proper pine nuts from. It's just got a bit of mulch on it. Yeah, so these are where the sticks are, is where they are. So I've just put them in and mulched them, because people can't see them, and then they get mowed over. So yeah, some of them have got too wet, because it's just fucking rained and rained and rained and rained. Like those other bottle brushes, there was 4 of those. Only one survived. But that's okay. They really cost me like $3 or $4 each. I've just got to whip a snip for the last bit. And these are Queensland bottle brush trees, which don't look very impressive right now, but it will look good.